Here we are at Coniston Coppice Park caravan site. It's one of the club sites for caravan and motorhoming. Motorhome and caravaning, whichever way.
One of them.
And we're just having a walk round to the lake. Really, we've positioned our motorhome just near the bottom end of the site, near the lake, Lake Coniston, with the hope that we're going to canoe or kayak on Saturday.
We're hoping to take the kayak on a maiden voyage, but it's got to be warm because we haven't got wetsuits yet, and not windy. So fingers crossed.
If not, then we'll go on a bike ride or a walk. Or we'll just watch telly.
No, we will not.
As we're walking down to Coniston Water from the site, we've come across another site.
It's Coniston Hall camping site. I think it works as a first come, first serve. I think it's got toilets and things like that, but it's all like it's wild camping, so there's no electric hookup or anything like that, but you can get water, and I've noticed there's chemical disposal, but the location is pretty amazing because you are really
literally on
close
the water,
whereas we've had to walk a couple of minutes, haven't we?
Yeah.
Good morning, it's Saturday in the Lake District at Coniston, and beautiful sunny day, so we're going to head out on the bikes this morning.
Yeah.
Quite a heavy, quite a hilly bike ride. What do you expect when you're in the Lake District? We're doing about 2,000 feet, heading up to Elterwater, across to Ambleside, through Hawkshead and back. About 25, 26 miles, something like that.
Yeah. So should be a good day, shouldn't it?
It should be.
And it's your birthday, so happy birthday.
It is, thank you, darling.
Yeah. 21 again.
And again and again and again.
Yeah.
It's amazing how many times you can be 21, eh?
Yeah. All right, well let's get going, shall we?
Let's get going. See you soon.
Here we have it. A bike that's broken.
So we've managed to do another 2 miles on the bikes, and my bike was still clicking when I was changing gears. So Lee said he'd adjust it. However, he's found out that it's not quite set on the cog as it should be. So he's having to take the chain off again to try and get it reset. So hopefully we'll get that fixed so we can carry on with our bike ride. Oh yay, he's done it.
Wow. Amazing though, aren't they, these? Yeah, we get wet feet if we did that, Jed.
We've actually stayed at this hotel, and it's called, there's a Langdale Estate Hotel, but then there's the adults only Brimstone Hotel, and it's absolutely gorgeous. There's a spa, and
you can just see the spa just above your head.
Spa there. We've been in that spa, but you can just see the balconies opposite. That's where we stayed, and it has a reading room where you can get unlimited wine and beer, and oh, it's amazing, absolutely amazing hotel. Thoroughly recommend. Crazily expensive, but some of the nicest rooms I've ever stayed in. So I'm just looking at them in that hot tub, whirlpool tub out there. I'm thinking I'm so jealous.
Yeah.
But we get to go back to our motorhomes as well. But yeah, fabulous hotel.
Said ginger bread and salted caramel. Very nice.
And I've got salted caramel and Malteser. It's from the little ice cream shop in Hawkshead. So we're back from our bike ride. We cut it slightly short. We did 20 miles instead of 25, only because time was ticking and we wanted to really get on the kayak and try that out this weekend. But we stopped off in Hawkshead for a lovely lunch and a gorgeous ice cream. Really nice ice cream, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So yeah, just having a quick brew, and then Lee is going to attempt to pump the kayak up and we'll give that a whirl. It's an effort, isn't it, Lee? That was such good fun, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Really enjoyed it.
They are heavier, these, when they've been in the water.
It feels a long way back, but it isn't. Thankfully, Luna is just there.
Yeah.
The end is in sight. Made it. I'm actually cooking tonight.
Get a night off.
Not that you cook anyway at home, it's just when we barbecue, you tend to do it, don't you?
Yeah.
But this is our new haddock to cook pro that we got at the motorhome and camping show, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. We've had a fantastic day today.
Oh, it's been so good, hasn't it?
Yeah, it has.
And it's been a really nice day, hasn't it?
It has, fantastic.
So all in all, it's been a big good day. So cheers, everyone. Happy weekend.
Yeah, cheers and happy birthday, Jen.
Thank you, darling.
Yeah.